back in the garage and have a moment, and I just saw that someone requested to see if I could push a car. All right, well, there's my car. There it is. I've never had to do this before, so let's see. Right. So it's not in gear because it's a stick car. All right, here we go. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Yeah, come on, it's moving, it's moving. A hill. That's not fair. One moment. One moment. Okay, that was definitely a hill. That's not fair. I didn't see that there was a friggin' hill in the garage. Let's try that again, shall we? Okay. And, oh yeah. Oh, come on, stop it. Stop it, stop it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I don't know what that dance was. Something like this, something like this. I moved it. I even moved it up that hill, by the way. Just saying bye. No, I'm not just saying bye, I'm just saying, pause.